Welcome to the latest RAF update for November, where Air Cadets have been invited to the Poppy Factory to talk to veterans about the importance of remembering those who gave their lives for our freedom.
F-35B's are in Italy on Exercise Falcon Strike 25, joining Allied air forces from France, Greece and the United States to develop fifth-generation fighter-jet capability. Across the UK, members of the armed forces came together to mark Remembrance in many different ways.
Air Cadets visited the Poppy Factory to learn more about Remembrance and the significance of wearing a poppy. The Poppy Factory offers veterans with mental and physical health conditions a supportive place of employment, making Remembrance products.
RAF Air Cadets offers young people exciting opportunities for personal and professional development. From cyber and space to sports, flying and adventure training, being a cadet means trying new things and gaining skills for life. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.